Today on Texture Thursdays, I'll be creating 3D hydrangea leaves using a palette knife and sculpture paste. Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today on my channel. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please do consider hitting the like, share and subscribe buttons, and if you're new here, do check out my other videos. This is part 2 of a 3-part video series creating hydrangea leaves using sculpture paste with a palette knife. Up after me will be the beautiful Betty from Oak by Bettina, so do please stay on, and there's a link to her video down in my description box. Thank you also to all my wonderful Patreon members for supporting my channel. So have you ever wondered how to make these beautiful textured or sculptured leaves that you see that are 3D are popping out from your substrate? Well, here's how. This is a homemade DIY paste that I made, and I'll put up on the screen what I use. There are other videos on my channel you can check out to find out how to make various different types of sculpture or texture pastes. And I'm going to use a cup here just to decide where to put my flowers. I am doing hydrangea flowers, so I need to really think about composition before I create or place any leaves on my heart that I've created. You will see how I've created the acrylic pour background in another video that's coming out soon. And if you want to see how I created the texture paste 3D leaves that you see there in the background using a stencil, the part 1 video of this series is actually on my channel at the moment, so do go back and check that out. So now I'm going to add a little bit of this paste. Now this paste is actually joint compound, but you can use various similar products or other brands in your place of residence or wherever you live, and I'm placing this straight onto the little circles that I drew. The reason for this is I want there to be a mound there so that when I place my petals on at a future date, I'll have a mound of this paste there that I can rest those petals on, so it looks a lot more 3D. Okay, that's enough talking from me. I'm going to let you watch in peace, so kick back and I hope you enjoy the video. Do leave me a comment below, and don't forget, Betty from Oak by Bettina is up after me.